What if you surfed a tsunami? This is a question from an avid surfer who asks, what if you found the perfect wave, the biggest wave in the world, and it happened to be a tsunami? Most people think of a tsunami as a giant, crashing wave, a beautiful monster of foam and fury. And so did our surfer. He was sitting on his board dreaming of the perfect ride when he saw it. A strange, impossibly fast rise in the horizon. It wasn't a wave, not really. It was a silent, moving wall of water. A liquid mountain with no crest, no curl, no inviting face to ride. You see, a tsunami isn't a surface wave. It's a disturbance that moves the entire ocean from top to bottom. Our surfer, thinking he'd found the ultimate ride, paddled furiously toward it. His goal was to catch the wave and drop in, just like in a movie. But that's where the science and the humor collide. You can't actually surf a tsunami. When our surfer finally reached the wave, he wasn't dropped in. He was simply picked up by a force so immense and so flat that it felt less like surfing and more like being a tiny speck of dust on the world's fastest, most boring river. There was no thrill, no carving, just an endless, terrifying rush. He was moving at hundreds of miles per hour, but he was just along for the ride. It was a one-star review for the most powerful wave on Earth. Then the ride ended as it hit the shore. The flat wave finally became a crashing monster, sweeping away everything in its path. Our surfer, no longer a rider but just a piece of debris, was tossed and turned in the chaos. He survived miraculously but was left in a flooded field, miles from the coast with a single humbling thought. He had just ridden the world's most unsurfable wave. The lesson? Sometimes the biggest thing in the world is also the least exciting. He got the story of a lifetime, but no one believed him, because a surfboard doesn't come with an instruction manual for surviving a boring wall of water.